তেওঁ যেতিয়া কিবা এটা কৰিবলৈ হাক দিয়ে কিয় দিয়ে মনা কিয় কৰে কাৰণ সেইবোৰ বস্তু আমাৰ কাৰণে বেয়া হয় মা দেউতাই বাচ্চাবোৰক সদায় কি শিকাব মিছা কথা নকবা চুৰি নকৰিবা লেতেৰা কথা নকবা মদ ভাং নাখাবা কোনোবা মা দেউতাই গাখীৰৰ বটলত আপোনালোকে মদ হুমাই দিছে নেকি Has any mother done that? In the baby's milk bottle, you've put sharab and you've said, "Lo, baby, pio." No, we never do that because we know the alcohol is not good for my baby. And so you, as you grow the child, you say, "Don't drink, don't do it. It's not good for you." So the only things that are banned are the things that are not good for you. Hebur bostu ishore mona kore, junbur bostu amar kane actually bhal nohoy. Kinu tateo ishore amak ki dile niz ichha. There also, the Lord gave us his wisdom, but finally the decision to choose was with Adam and Eve. God didn't take that choice from them. He wanted them to choose to obey God. He wanted them to choose to love God. So next time when people tell you this, why did God keep the tree? Please tell them, God gave us the gift of free will in the garden. Amen. Jita manue ahi pele ebar ustadi mare adha jani pele আৰু কয় ঈশ্বৰে কিয় হে গছডাল ঢালি দিলে তাতে ইমান কঠোৰ তোমাৰ ঈশ্বৰ প্লিজ কব ঈশ্বৰে আসলতে উপহাৰ দি আছিল নিজ ইচ্ছাৰ উপহাৰ কাৰণ ঈশ্বৰে বিচাৰে যে আমি তেওঁক বাধ্য হ'বলে বাছনি কৰো আমি নিজে নিৰ্ণয় লওঁ amen that it should be a decision to obey him it should be a decision to follow him even today Jesus Christ doesn't force when he called his disciples he said come follow me and I will make you fishers of men. If Peter said, "Nai na jao, bahut mas dhorilu besibo ase etia." Monot ase noy Jisu Christoi jetia mati sile nijor hisso hokolok mati sile mane ki amontron disile. Etia junbur hisso jodi kisimane nahe boli koy there were some who rejected. There were people in the Bible they said, "Oh, I have to do this, I have to do that." There was the rich man who was not willing to give up his property. Jesus didn't force. Nicodemus We don't know whether Nicodemus made a choice. He left. Nicodemus ok Jisue ketiao dabi kora nasil mur onugami hoa. Hoday nirnoy to apunak di diye. Ajio je ahise grohon koribo lage na lage nirnoy apunar upor. Aha deobar ahibo lage ahibo na lage nirnoy to kar upor apunar upor. Karon amar ishore apunak he upohar to dise niz ichhar. He's given you the gift of free will. Amen. So when the Lord told Adam and Eve Genesis 2:17 except the tree of the knowledge of good and evil if you eat its fruit you are sure to die yare ishore ki kol Adam aru Hawak adi pustok 2:17 podot kintu bhal beya gyan diota gosor phol hole nakhaba kionu ji dina tumi ta khaba he dina ose tumar mrityu hobo okay so now when you look at this the word die Did Adam die immediately after having the fruit? He pholtu khwar loge loge Adam mori gol ne? But yate Bible Ohomia version to etu likha ase he dina osie tumar mrityu hobo. That means on that day itself you should die. But Adam didn't die. So what happened? Did God lie? Or did it kiba fail hoy gol niki? Ishore koisle moriba kinu Adam is like Lord dekho main bach gaya main nahi mara. Is that what happened? No. So as I was meditating on this, I said, Lord, you said he would die. And he doesn't die. And he lives for another 930 years. Aru no 30 bosor tar pisot Adam jiai thake. So, but God said he'll die. So what is this? And then the Lord showed me, when I say die, it doesn't just mean the death we know. See, the problem is this. Because we people are so flesh-oriented, we know everything only from the flesh. Amar manubur ki hoise ami kebol haririk drishtir pora sabole janu. So joti horirot ukha ase manu tu jia ase. Jodi horiror pora ukha naikia hoy gol ami ko manu tu mori gol. Hetu bhul nohoy. It's not wrong. But that's just one part of life and that's just one part of death. Are you hearing what I'm saying? Ami ki koru ami khali horiror pora বিচাৰ কৰো শৰীৰত উখা আছে মানে জিয়াই আছে শৰীৰৰ পৰা উখা নাই মানে মৰি গল হেতু ভুল নহয় কিন্তু হেতু মৃত্যু আৰু জীৱনৰ কেৱল এটা ভাগ হয় so as you go in deeper to this word die আপুনি যেতিয়া এই শব্দটো চাই die ইয়াৰ ইব্ৰী শব্দটো হল মুত okay মুত মোৰ লগত ক'ব পাৰে নে হ'ল মুঠ আৰু this means many things. Number 1, to literally die where your body stops working. প্ৰথমটো কি হ'ল আপোনাৰ শৰীৰ যত মৰি যায় আপোনাৰ শৰীৰটো কাম কৰা বন্ধ কৰি দিয়ে. Second, it also means crying. মুঠৰ মানে কান্দাও হয় মানে দুখ. মুঠৰ মানে destroyও হয় মানে বিনাশ. And muth also means to die prematurely. That means সময়ৰ আগত অকাল মৃত্যু বুলি আমি যোনটো কওঁ অকাল মৃত্যু. So muth, when God said, Adam, you will surely die, he didn't just mean your body will stop working, but he meant that, Adam, if you do this, you are actually becoming a slave to Satan now. Do you hear what I'm saying? When he obeyed what Satan asked him to do, actually he was born free. He was born to live in fellowship with God, free, with free will. But the minute he listened to Satan, immediately he became a slave to Satan. বুজি পাইছে কি হৈছিলে হে বাগিচাটোত? We hear that no, Adam was just being independent. And so he was being cool and he rejected God. No, he was being stupid. And he surrendered his freedom to Satan. Basically, it was this. If you listen to what Satan asks you to do, you become his slave. He doesn't believe in sons and daughters. He has slaves. বুজি পাইছে শয়তানে কাকো পুত্ৰ পুত্ৰী নবনাই দে যে আপোনাকো দুটা সিংহ দিব আৰু বহুত মানুহে হেকানে কয় মই নৰক যাওঁগা यार. I'll go for the, what is this new thing? Not new, it's an old stupid thing people say. I shouldn't say the word stupid, but there's no better word to say it. I'll go to hell for the atmosphere, but I want the temperature of heaven. মানুহবোৰে ভাবে মই নৰক যাম কাৰণ তাতে ডিস্কো চলি থাকিব কিন্তু টেম্পাৰেচাৰটো মোৰ হেভেনৰ লাগে মানে কুল হ'ব তাতে. Such a ghatiya thought. You know nothing about who Satan is. Satan is not your friend. You're not to tie a friendship band to Satan. He doesn't believe in having friends. He doesn't believe in having sons and daughters. He knows how to make you a slave. Saitane ki jane bondi banoa. Jitya Adam aru Hawa Saitanor mattu shuni dile loge loge teoluk Saitanor bondi hoy gol. Aru Saitanor bondi hoa mane itia teolukor upor joy kune koribo Saitan. মানে তাৰ লগত ইতিয়া মৃত্যু কেৱল শাৰীৰিক মৃত্যু নহয় ঠিক আছে 930 বছৰ আদম জীয়াই থাকিলে কিন্তু কি ধৰণৰ জীৱন his son died. What kind of a life did Adam and Eve have where their own son Abel died? I'm sure that must have been if any of you have lost children, I pray it'll never happen. It'll never happen to any of you. Amen? But if you have lost children, you know the pain and the trauma of having a child die early. যদি কাবাৰ বাচ্চা সময়ৰ আগত মৰে ভাবিবও পাৰেনে মা দেউতাবোৰে ভাবিব পাৰেনে যে আপুনি নিজৰ বাচ্চাক পুতিব লগা হ'ব? Cannot imagine the pain of that. Adam and Eve called sorrow upon themselves the minute they said yes to Satan. যেতিয়া তেওঁলোকে শয়তানক বুলি কৈ দিলে ঠিক আছে শৰীৰত আয়ুস আছিলে 930 বছৰ জীয়াই থাকিলে কিন্তু তাৰ লগত কি আহিলে দুখ চিন্তা কাজিয়া অশান্তি. All of these things, sorrow, misery, jealousy, fight, division, premature death, all of this is a part of the death package. So when God said you will die, he didn't just mean physical death, he meant sorrow will come, destruction will come, okhanti ahibo, dukh ahibo, okal mrityu ahibo, and that's surely what happened. Because now their master was Satan. I'll tell you, if you make God your master, you will be the most free slave. I can't explain it. You have to taste it to know what I'm saying. Hekane Paul bare said, I'm a slave of Christ. Because there is freedom in being a slave of Christ. Bahut bare apni je notun niyam porhe Paulus se koy je moi Jisur moi bondi hoy. Jisur bondi hobole no eta Jisur bondi hote eta mukti thake. There's a freedom when you become a slave of Christ. I can't explain it, but you become free in every way when your master is Jesus Christ. But when your master is Satan, now what do you get? Muth. Okay? Death, sorrow, destruction, and also physical death. Okay? So yate physical death kebol death nohoy. Mrityu horitur pora jetia ukha ulai jay, kebol hetu mrityu nohoy. Kintu jetia apunar dukh ahe, bemar ahe, jetia apunar ghorot okhanti thake, hebur sob he mrityutur bhag hoy. Don't we die every single day when there is chaos at home? Don't you die every single day when there's pain in your body? যেতিয়া আমাৰ শৰীৰত বিষ থাকে প্ৰতিদিন মৃত্যুৰ নিচিনা হয় যেতিয়া ঘৰত অশান্তি থাকে মা দেউতাই এজনক মাৰি থাকে বাচ্চাবোৰে বুজি পাব অৰ্ধাংগিনীয়ে যদি খালি মাৰ খাই থাকে বুজি পায় প্ৰতিদিন মৃত্যুৰ নিচিনা হয় So death is not just when your body stops breathing. It's all of these lower things like sorrow, pain, sickness that is a part of death. And obeying Satan brought all of this. Shaitanok baidhya hole ebur sob samasya hai. Death. Amen.